Hi, welcome to Math Time. It's our problem of the day for May 8th, 2020. Let's get started. Our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. Oh, excuse me, you might hear some banging over there. That's my son, Colin. He's kind of pouting right now. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. All right, I have a problem for you today. And today as always, our learning target is using problem-solving strategies to solve this problem. Mrs. Wilson puts a smiley face on the worksheet for every 6 arithmetic. That means math. Problems done correctly. Margaret had 25 correct problems on her worksheet. So how many smiley faces did Mrs. Wilson put on Margaret's worksheet? All right, let's see if you can solve this one. I'm going to give you a hint. I'm going to draw a picture to show how I'm solving this one. Put me on pause and come back after you have a solution. Bye. Hi guys, we're back. So I made a list of numbers 1 through 25, and I'm going to reread our problem so I can have it fresh in my mind. Mrs. Wilson puts a smiley face on the worksheet for every 6 arithmetic or math problems done correctly. Margaret had 25 correct problems on her worksheet. So how many smiley faces did Mrs. Wilson put on Margaret's worksheet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at 6, I'm going to circle it. That represents a smiley face, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got a little wild with that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. So she got 25 correct problems, and so she got 4 smiley faces on her worksheet. Now, maybe you thought of solving it a different way. Maybe you decided to think about how many 6's were in 25, and you knew that would be 4 remainder 1, so it would still be 4. Maybe you figured it out a different way. But I decided to make this list kind of a visual representation and then circle when I got to every 6th problem. So the answer today would be 4 smiley faces. I hope you have a terrific day. Bye.